Yes, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, today I'm going to show you how you can make a modern lap beat, yeah, by using FL Studio. So, come on, name Joe Fox at easy with this exciting tutorial. So, thank you for being connected with me. And if you're new here, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And here we go. Yeah, so I just started my project with 8 BPM, yeah, beat per minute, I can say that, yeah. So, and here I just play my patterns, several patterns as you see here. So, and already I arranged my beat, So, let's go and see what I play from one instrument. So, I just start with a electric piano. It is from F0 as you see, and I just play my cool, I can say, chord. Sound good like this one. Yeah, I just play with a D major scale. So after playing that, I just add this nylon uh, from Fritz, and sound good like this one. So the secret of this guitar, just to get the sound, is to increase the volume of such note you want uh, to play sound like you play it live, Yeah, so simple. After that, I jump to my kick. I just arrange it simple like this one. Yeah, so after that, I add my clap. Yeah, apart from clap, I just add my hi-hat and I just go somehow crazy as you see. So let's here. Yeah. Yeah, so I just go crazy as you see. So after that, I just add open hi-hat. This one cinematic sample. So yeah, simple like this one. After that, I add this one snare. Yeah, I just as you see. So yeah, and yeah. So I just add this in order to add some taste in my drum grooves. Yeah. So before continuing, let's hear when you combine these drums together. Wow, this one, this one, this one, this one. So sound good like this one. Yeah, so I think someone can sing or rap on this beat. Yeah, so I don't care about it, but it's good. Yeah, it sounds good as you hear. So let's jump to my melodies. And I just started with this one orchestra from Cypress. I already use this in many beats, so I just like how it sound and it's stock plugin. So I just play simple and they sound like this one. Yeah, simple like this one is in orchestra. After that, I play this nice bass guitar. It's called B flat or E. It sounds always it sound good. You like when it's like as a bass guitar, live bass guitar. So here it sounds. So I just don't want to go as much craze to my bass. Yeah, so after that I had this was guitar chorus from Symphonies. Yeah, sound good like this one. Yeah. After that I add this bell, also it's from Cypress. Yeah. After that I just add this one whistle from Symphonies. Yeah. After that I add such melody in this FM fluid from Citrus, and I just play below. Yeah, simple as this one. This is things are over in my beat, so I'm gonna take your time to listen a little bit, and this instrument will be available yeah in this channel. So guys, if you need this instrument also, don't forget to contact me and by go through to this video description. So my name is Joe Fox. It is also I'm available on TikTok at producer Joe Fox. So let's hear a little bit how I make this. Fox. Yeah, so guys, if you appreciate for what I'm done, like this video. Also, if you appreciate producer, just also like the video, subscribe, comment, and I will go through. So thank you for watching.